Let's look at this table to understand working capital cycle of a particular borrower. Look at here. You have details about raw material, stock in progress, finished goods, receivables, sundry creditors. Now this raw material is also divided into imported and domestic. Since this customer has no imported raw material in stock, that information is not here, but he has domestic raw material. Amounts are available in crores. This 18.75 crore in previous year estimate is equivalent to 59 days of their raw material stock or raw material consumption in a year. Okay, so this was estimate, but actual they did not maintain 18.75 crore, they maintained only 11.02 crore actuals, and it is only 34 days. It's better, no, because the raw material amount is also lesser and the number of days for which they maintain raw material is also lesser. Okay, that's fine. But what concerns here is the stock in progress. Stock in progress estimated to be 4 crore and it was expected to be equivalent to only 11 days of production. Okay, whereas the actual happened to be 6.75 crore and it is 18 days production. So here sanctioning authority will be interested in knowing why there is an increase over estimate. More than increase, they are very much interested in knowing why there is an increase of 8 days. Okay, why another 8 days added to the production? What happened to their production setup? Why they could not produce within those 11 days? There could be some reason, genuine reason, that should be brought out in the proposal. Then look at the finished goods. They expected to maintain 10 crore, which is around 27 days equivalent, but actual is only 4.23 crores and 11 days equivalent only, so not a concern. And receivables, they expected to be around 19 crore equivalent to 42 days and actual is 18.38, around 40 days. Okay, so more or less close, not an issue. Sundry creditors, they don't have anything under imported, but domestic expected sundry creditors is 16 crore for 50 days credit. Actual is 13.15, 43 days credit only. So this is also better than estimate. Okay, except for the stock in progress, this 11 to 18 days, all other days are better than estimates. So this is not a matter of concern. Much or detailed explanation is not required. But if you are estimating these things to increase, then again you have to offer justification. Let's see. Current year and future projected. Look at here. From 11 crore inventory raw material, you are planning for 20 crore and 30 crores in future. And as a result, how many days? 52 days of raw material, okay, is expected to be maintained, and in future it is expected to come down to 46. Here sanctioning authorities will be really interested in knowing what is the normal industry norm. If industry norm is something like 60 days, then 52 days are fine. Okay, but if industry norms is only 30 days, then they'll question why they have to maintain for 52 days. Okay, so that's a matter of concern and that got to be substantiated, and in future it is expected to come down. Okay, that's a good sign. Then SIP stock in progress is expected to be around 5 crore and it is equivalent to 11 days. So they're expecting it to be around 11 days. In the previous year also they expected it to be around 11 days, but its actual was around 18 days. In the current year it is expected to be 11 days only. So how they are planning to bring it down to 11 days, whether any modernization or renovation are done, how this can come down, and it is expected to come down even further. So that got to be explained in the proposal. Then comes finished goods. Finished goods, previous year 11, expected in future is also 11 and less than that. Okay, that's fine. Then receivables, previous year 40 days, they are expecting it to increase to 47 days. Why it is increasing? Is it because of addition of new customers, or whether new customers are asking for, or the existing customers are asking for additional credit, or is it because existing customers are not paying on time? Is it because of the number of days beyond the credit period? Okay, so that should be studied and brought out in the proposal. Then comes sundry creditors, and here the level is expected to come down, level as well as the amount. Look at here, estimated is 12.5, which is lesser than 13.15, and number of days 31. Okay, it's a good sign. and it is expected to go up to 25 days. So this 17 crore is not a concern. I mean, this increase is not a concern because you have to look at the number of days. Number of days are coming down. But the next question is, when Sunry Creditors is coming down, who is funding that portion? Is it bank fund, or is it through net working capital? Okay, that when you look at the ABF statement, you will get an idea.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.